In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify with Facebook. Whether you're a seasoned e-commerce professional or just getting started, integrating your Shopify store with Facebook is an excellent way to expand your online presence, increase sales, and leverage the power of social media marketing. So let's dive straight in and get your Shopify store connected to Facebook in a few simple steps. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to Shopify's homepage. Once there, you're going to notice a login button. Click on that to proceed. Logging in is a straightforward process. But if you're new to Shopify or have multiple accounts, make sure you select the correct credentials to log in. Remember, you're about to link your store to your Facebook, so it's crucial to ensure you're operating the right account. Next, you'll be prompted to type in your highlighted store details. This step is crucial because Shopify manages multiple stores under a single login. Ensure you select the correct store you wish to link to Facebook. It's a simple step but very important. After that, you'll see an option to continue with email. Click on it to securely proceed with your registered email address. Following this step ensures that your login process is not just seamless but also secure. Moving on, you'll then choose an account if prompted. For those with multiple Google accounts saved, it's common for Shopify to ask which one you'd like to use, especially if your Shopify store is linked to your Google credentials. Make sure to select the account associated with your Shopify store. Once you're successfully logged in, navigate to My Store on the Shopify dashboard. Here you'll find everything you need regarding your store's operations. Nonetheless, our focus is to connect to Facebook, so let's keep moving forward. Look for the settings option in the Shopify dashboard. This section is where you can control everything from store details, payments, and importantly, integrations with other platforms. Upon clicking on settings, you'll find various options, but our goal is to find apps and sales channels. Selecting this option takes you a step closer to enhancing your store's capabilities. Now it's time to explore the Shopify App Store. By clicking on Shopify App Store, you're entering a world of applications designed to enhance your store's functionality. From this plethora of options, we're specifically looking for the Facebook and Instagram app. This app is designed to seamlessly integrate your Shopify store with Facebook, making it easier to manage your social media marketing efforts. Upon locating the Facebook and Instagram app in the store, click on Install. This step is the real game changer. Installing this app enables you to link your Shopify store directly to your Facebook account, allowing you to manage Facebook ads, posts, and shop settings directly from Shopify. To finalize the connection, another install button will prompt you to confirm the installation. Clicking this confirms your intention to integrate Shopify with Facebook, and voila, the process is nearly complete. Following these steps correctly should now have your Shopify store connected with Facebook. But what does this mean for you? Well, it opens a plethora of opportunities. You can now manage your Facebook shop directly from Shopify, synchronize your product catalog, and even create targeted Facebook ads straight from the Shopify dashboard. Remember, connecting your Shopify store with Facebook is not just about making sales. It's about building your brand's presence on one of the world's largest social media platforms. It's an opportunity to engage with your customers, receive direct feedback, and grow your business through social interactions. In closing, always ensure that your product details are up to date both on Shopify and Facebook to provide your customers with a seamless shopping experience. Keep an eye on your Facebook shop settings through Shopify to optimize your e-commerce strategy further. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to connecting your Shopify store with Facebook. Dive in, explore, and make the most of this powerful integration to push your online store to new heights. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.